All right, it's Sunday, and I know the Super Bowl is on today, but it's February the 4th, 2018. I'm heading out to the city of Flint, and we got a crew, Wendy and crew are going to join us, and we're going to feed the homeless. We've got donuts, and we've got soup, and all kind of good food for the homeless, and a lot of supplies, winter jackets, hats, and boots, and scarves. So, oh, it's really snowing. It's snowing like a blizzard out here, and the roads are a mess. But let me take you along with us to Flint, Michigan. Just to give you an idea what a blizzard we're in, and I mean, it's a mess. It's just really, really a mess out here. But this ministry is 7 days a week, and we never stop. Doesn't matter what the weather is, people are hungry, and people are just, they need someone to love them and to take care of them. Super Bowl Sunday. We're out here feeding and clothing. February the 4th, and we're in a snowstorm. It's really a blizzard. And doing God's will. This is His ministry. And it is cold out here. Yeah, check in there. There should be more.